Do you know why billionaires keep getting richer while others struggle? It's not luck, it's strategy. And when it comes to real estate, they play by different set of rules. And in this video, I'm going to reveal to you the 5 secrets billionaires use to build generational wealth. And you can also start applying them starting from today. Secret 1, land banking. Billionaires buy land in undeveloped area and wait for development to catch up. This is a strategy some people don't actually know. That billionaires will not wait for development to come to a pace before they buy land, because they know by the time development comes, the price is already high. But by the time they are buying as land banking, they are buying at a very cheaper price when there is little or no development in that area. And they know by the time development catch up, they are cashing out in millions. This is one of the strategies they use, and in which a lot of people out there don't even know. Why some others are waiting for the place to become developed, billionaires have already acquired it at a very cheaper price and will later resell to you at a very higher price. And this is secret you also need to emulate and get started with it today. Secret number 2, location and timing. Billionaires don't just buy good locations, they buy future prime locations. They were able to see afar off and look deep into the choices of locations they want to acquire the property. Now, they look into where people are moving towards, they look into where infrastructures is going towards, they look into where the government is going towards, and they go ahead of them, they go ahead of the government, they go ahead of the infrastructures, and they go ahead of the people. So by this, they acquire the property at a very cheaper price. And by the time all these ongoing infrastructures and development come to completions, the prices of properties in this area will skyrocket. Now, take Lekki, for example. In the past 20 years ago, Lekki was not like what it was today. And people who have been able to see afar off were those who are reaping the dividends of Lekki today. So, as a smart investor that you want to be, or as a smart investor and as a billionaire investor, it is essential that you look ahead into proper locations that is able to give you maximum return on investment over time. So, and here is the number 3 secret: diversification. Billionaires don't put all their money in one place. No, they diversify. That is, from investing in landed properties, into investing in commercial properties, into investing into rental properties, into investing into short lets and all the likes, because they understand that it is only by diversifying, that is, putting your money into different form of investment that are real and legit, is the only way for you to be able to build consistent flow of income and a generational wealth. And there is the secret number 4. I call it other people's money or leverage. Billionaires understand this secret and they make good use of it to the maximum. Now, they borrow money, and not for flaunting, not for partying. They borrow money to invest in strategic locations. They borrow money to invest in assets, because they know that by investing those money into those assets is going to bring them times 10 of the money they are borrowing. And so this is a secret a lot of people don't know. You don't borrow money, to party. You don't borrow money to gamble. You borrow money to invest strategically, which can actually give you maximum return on investment over time. And here is the final secret I want to share with you: having long-term vision. Now, this is one thing that makes billionaire different from every other people. They have a long-term vision towards every investment they are making. Now, for example, billionaires don't buy to flip after 1 year. They buy properties to secure them for 10-20 years, because they believe in appreciation. That is, when you are investing in landed property, you can only enjoy the maximum appreciation when you have a long-term vision. Unlike some people who want quick money, and that is why they fall victims of Ponzi and all these other scams like this. So this is strategy billionaire use, and this is strategy you can also emulate, starting small and building it with a long-term vision, building a strong portfolio through acquiring properties with a long-term future. That is, the property you acquire today for 1 million naira, in the next 1 year, the property can be selling for 2 million naira. But do you know that you can only enjoy the maximum appreciation of the property when you are able to leave it for a period of 10 to 20 years, whereby the property is now selling in millions and in billions? So, these are the 5 tips and secrets billionaire use in securing and building a long-term generational income for themselves. I believe you have actually found value in today's episode. So, stay tuned to this channel, follow us, like, subscribe, and share. What step are you taking next? Drop it in the comment section.